metaphysics, which we cannot see, which is not directly visible, which is about the beyond physics, something which we are talking about in totality. जैसे कि दुनिया किसने बनाई? What is this world made up of? How many of you think that world is made up of atoms? World is made up of atoms? Okay. So this is one type of metaphysics. This is one belief in metaphysics. How many of you think that world was made by Big Bang? One metaphysics. How many of you think no, God made the world? World was created by God. Kun faya kun, so be it. Tadhastu. Huh? That's another kind of metaphysics. How many of you think that world was always there? No one created it. Another kind of metaphysics. Can you understand this? Metaphysics, we are talking about mainly three things: world, God and soul. जनरली इन तीन चीज़ों के बारे में जब भी हम बात कर रहे होंगे, हम किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? मेटाफिजिक्स, बिकॉज दे आर बियॉन्ड फिजिक्स. इन पे फिजिक्स के लॉज नहीं लगते. बियॉन्ड नेचुरल लॉज, बियॉन्ड फिजिक्स, metaphysics, right? Epistemology means how do we know all this? इसको जानने के लिए कोई तो तरीका होगा ना. कैसे पता चला कि भगवान है या नहीं, सोल है या नहीं, कितने भगवान है, क्या है, ये सब किसी सोर्स से पता चलेगा. तो वो जो सोर्स होगा, वो जो लिमिट होगी, वो जो समझने की शक्ति होगी, उसे क्या बोलेंगे हम? एपिस्टेमोलॉजी. Some people will say that your mind will tell you, your reason will tell you, your reason will be the epistemology. Someone will say no, experience will be the, I will know all these three things through experience. तो ये दूसरे टाइप की एपिस्टेमोलॉजी हो. बात समझ में आई? जैसे आप में से किसी ने कहा there is no God because I can't see him. There is no God because I can't see him. Which type of epistemology they are using? Experience. And these people are known as empiricists. जो भी ऐसा मानते हैं वो लोग क्या हो गए? एम्पिरिसिस्ट. के एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे चीजों को जज कर रहे हैं. पीपल हु से कि देखो ये दुनिया है, किसी ने तो बनाई होगी ना. देयर आर सीजन्स, so automatically they govern. Things are governing so much in order. There must be someone who is organizing all of this. Therefore, there must be a God. There must be a creator. So that creator is God. So how did we reach this? By reason, by logic, by reasoning. Those people who used their reason were known as a rationalist. यहाँ तक बात समझ में आई? इतना आ गया तो सबसे बड़ी जो फिलॉसफी की हर्डल है वो क्रॉस हो गई है. सबसे मुश्किल यही है. ये समझ में आ रहा है?